Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both accounts so you can act quickly. Make sure you have usernames, emails, and any 2FA devices ready. Open the account you want to access from, then go directly to Settings and find sections labeled Linked Accounts, Delegation, or Third-Party Access. Once there, choose Add or Grant Access and enter the other account's identifier. Verify the email or code that appears. This immediate action reduces lockouts and explains why pre-checking credentials saves time. Next, you configure what the incoming account can do, pick View, Edit, or Admin permissions based on least privilege. Make sure to follow the prompts to authorize. Use 2FA codes, OAuth consent screens, or a secure token exchange. This step creates the actual trust link. Once authorized, adjust fine-grained settings such as folder scope, session duration, and expiration. After saving, test access immediately from the other account to confirm that permissions behave as expected, because that prevents surprises later. To finish, you should sign in from the secondary account and perform a simple action to confirm success. Check logs for the new session and verify files or settings you can access. If you encounter denial errors, make sure 2FA was completed, the correct account email was added, and the permission scope isn't overly restrictive. If problems persist, revoke the link, repeat the grant flow, and consult audit logs to trace where the handshake failed. This single troubleshooting tip often pinpoints misconfigured scopes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.